Today we're at the range with our Astra 600. The Astra 600 is a Spanish pistol introduced in 1943. It is a follow-up to the earlier and smaller Astra 300 and 400. During World War II, it was primarily produced for the German military. Approximately 10,450 were delivered to Germany. Ours is one of those with the German proof here. It was used by various military and police units. Here is our original wartime holster with spare magazine and a post-war holster. There's our German proof. Here are some of the other markings.